Hello, my name is Galen Jones, and today I'll be discussing how the next gen firewall helps. The next generation firewall combines a lot of previous technologies into one device. It has standard firewall capabilities, like being able to do scans on traffic that is incoming and outgoing. But it has comprehensive application control, meaning that it is better than a stateful firewall and that it can fully control and monitor applications. Also, the next generation firewall works on layers 2 to 7 instead of stopping short on layer 4 like a stateful firewall. The next generation firewalls can also easily install security tools and manage them from the firewall hub instead of having to buy external software. And best of all, it has an integrated intrusion protection system and intrusion detection system. That will conclude my part of the presentation. Thank you.